Hey everybody, we're out here at the Cisco Innovation Center and I've been talking to Joel about machine learning models and running those on the edge. Now, why would you want to do something like that?
Yeah, so to me, it's very a problem that's really close to my heart because I actually started as a manufacturing engineer in an automotive factory at Toyota. So you'd always be thinking about, oh, I wish I could bring some intelligence to this production line to help me know if I'm building it better. Like, for example, you're connecting these wire harnesses in the car. One of the most common quality issues is that it's not fully clicked and you want to actually hear that click noise, and it's a loud noisy environment, and oftentimes these operators can miss that noise. Okay, so what if I could have a model that could listen for a specific click and be my assistant in the factory? So it's very exciting to be like, hey, this is a space where we're going to start helping people solve problems with machine learning models.
That's really cool. So we were talking earlier about machine learning models and Edge Hub from Splunk. Can we do that today? Can we run these models on a hub?
Yeah, so that's why, and we did launch this Edge Hub device last year. We were thinking, okay, what is holding back a lot of these enterprise customers from actually being able to deploy AI at the edge? Everyone's talking about it, but you need some sort of edge gateway device that has a compute capable to run an AI model. And I think, in the broader space right now, everyone's talking about large language models and these large models, but there's also a new emerging trend. Really, this year, we're going to probably see a breakout in small language models. And that's really around, well, we can actually take something more optimized for the use case, more defined and more narrow, and actually run it closer to the environment. And now you're going to say, well, why do you need to run it closer to the
Right.
environment? One of the critical things is, latency. If you
Mhm.
think about self-driving cars and you're trying to make a decision based on video inputs, you don't want to be sending that to the cloud and then now you have a network issue and then there's reliability issues.
Mhm.
You want to do that on the edge. So edge AI is really going to be a big thing that we see emerging more and more this year, and also moving beyond just language models into multimodal models, right? We heard a little bit about it last year, but we're really going to see more of it now where vision and sound recognition and metrics or logs or text is all going to come together to really give you that assistance in your enterprise environment.
So you'll be able to build and deploy these models on the Edge Hub directly?
Yeah, so the Edge Hub connects to the Splunk platform. So we have a software platform. It can really like crunch all this data, do the analytics, and what we have is the ability to take models from Splunk and push it down to the edge. This gets into this whole concept of how do you really bring together like the cloud and the edge
Mhm.
and the continually like updating new models that are coming out and all that. So you need some sort of ML ops platform. And that's really what we're working with Splunk, the platform, to do is expand that further and further. Today, we have shown with several customers the ability to take those models that you're training in Splunk and push it to the edge,
Mhm.
and also give developers the ability to add more functionality with vision models and other things at the edge, even like models you can download from Hugging Face. So there's some pretty cool stuff happening.
Right on. So that sounds really cool and innovative. Where can I go and get some more information about how to do all this?
Yeah, I think for me as a product manager, I would love to hear, directly to understand the pain points about what people want. So I would say, hey, just send me or you a note on LinkedIn. We'd love to hear from people.
You heard it right here. So contact Joel directly.
DMs are open.